Mini PCs aren't becoming more common in practically all categories, whether for personal or commercial use. They are small, take up less room, and have enough of processing power for smooth implementation. If you're trying to find one, our top 5 picks for mini PCs are listed below. For all the gamers out there, we have the ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC. It's compact and packs a reasonable amount of power for gaming as well as other demanding tasks. The device is filled with ports, making it easy to connect to a handful of gaming accessories. On the front, we can see 2 USB 3.0, 1 USB Type-C, an audio jack, and a microphone hole. At the back there are 2 USB 2.0 ports, along with 1 HDMI, 1 display port, 2 RJ45 LAN ports, and a USB-C DC port to power the device up. The power button is located at the front, which has this unique triangular shape that lights up while turning the gaming PC on. Under the hood, this mini gaming PC is packing one hell of a punch. It's powered by a Ryzen 5 5600 processor with a base clock speed of 2.3 GHz and a boosted frequency of up to 4.2 GHz. It also comes with 16 GHz DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, which sounds like a good deal for light to moderate gaming. It's even upgradable, which allows you to swap the SSD or RAM to increase its potential even more. From Intel, we have the NUC12 Enthusiast Mini PC, an impressive machine that packs a lot of power into a small package. The vertical design and small footprint make it a great choice for those with limited desk space, and its gaming vibe gives it an extra touch of personality. At 180mm wide, 230mm long, and 60mm tall, it's a portable powerhouse that can handle demanding applications with ease. Powered by an i7-12700H and Intel Art graphics, the NUC12 Enthusiast has a processing power to handle just about anything you can throw at it. The DDR4 memory of up to 32 MHz ensures speedy performance, and the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity mean you can connect to the internet and other devices without any trouble. The NUC12 Enthusiast also has 3 M.2 slots and plenty of ports on the front and the back, including an SD card slot, Thunderbolt 4, LAN, and HDMI ports. The amazing workflow ensures that the PC stays cool even during heavy usage. And if you're into iOS, then Mac Mini M2 is definitely worth considering. It's Apple's flagship mini PC that packs a powerful punch in a small package. Powered by Apple's M2 chip, it boasts up to 24 GB of DDR5 RAM and 8 TB of SSD storage, making it an ideal choice for photographers and content creators who need to store and access large files quickly. The Mac Mini M2 has a slim and minimal design that fits in perfectly with Apple's aesthetic. It's small enough to fit on a desk, but powerful enough to handle just about any task you can throw at it. The ports on the back of the Mac Mini M2 include Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB-A, and an Ethernet jack, which means you can connect all of your peripherals without any trouble. If you're looking for a Mac alternative, the HP Z2 Mini G9 is an excellent one that can take on professional tasks without breaking a sweat. Its vertical design with the stable base takes up minimal space on your desk while still packing a punch with the NVIDIA RTX 2000 and Intel i9 series CPU. This is an excellent choice for both office and home use. Its seamless upgradable design means you can customize and upgrade the components to suit your needs. This feature makes it an ideal choice for those who want to future-proof the computer without having to replace the entire system. The HP Z2 Mini G9 also has plenty of ports in the back and side for connectivity, which means you can easily connect all of your peripherals, including monitors, external drives, and more. And finally, we have the Mac Studio from Apple, which just might be one of the most powerful and capable mini PCs out there. Similar to the Mac Mini, Mac Studio is designed to be used on top of your desk. The size, however, is in no way similar at all. It seems like Apple has stacked up 2 Mac Minis on top of each other. Consequently, it weighs about 7.9 pounds, which you will definitely feel while carrying it. Apart from that, this versatile device is loaded up with ports. On the front, you get 2 USB-C and an SD card slot. And on the back, We have 4 Thunderbolt 4, 1 Ethernet jack, 2 USB-A and HDMI, and a headphone jack. Mac Studio integrates an M1 Max and M1 Ultra variant, which is really powerful performance-wise for demanding tasks such as 8K video editing. You get up to 64 GB of unified memory with up to 8 TB of configurable storage in the Mac Studio, which will keep your performance and storage demand fulfilled. That ends the discussion of the top 5 mini PCs. I love having you here. If you felt this video was useful, please click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and share your comments with us in the comment box below. If you want to see more videos like this in your feed, subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.